has very powerful, very strike memiliki kekuatan to make thinking what is it?
To make what?
Untuk membuat pemikiran
I'll go thinking. A change of people
Yeah.
of thinking about something else. Yeah, keep going.
mempengaruhi pikiran.
Influence. Yeah, every single head people.
In social media, I want to say about WhatsApp,
Allah.
Facebook, and other case about social media. Today I tidak bisa berpisah dengan awak di sini.
Spirited.
It totally cannot be separated.
Very need to use social media to communicate to other activity with very helpful by social media. To Google Map, I think many activity by social media. I need social media now. And if the country, the pemerintah, the government ban social media, I know jangan ya, I say jangan because I very need social media now.
Allah.
But the negative thing about it is a positive thing. In the negative thing, I